Before starting, I'll have a bit of my Armenian coffee. Okay. It's finished. Okay, this is an unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi. Xiaomi Mi, Xiaomi Type C, Xiaomi Type This is the Xiaomi Type C Mi USB hub. This is an unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi USB Type C hub. Very nice and compact. Looks pretty interesting. This is the labels. Don't know if I can remove this. I guess no. Interesting, the box has this separate compartment, but it's not used. I think it's used only to make it more so it's not too narrow. I think if it's too narrow it might break. And there's nothing there. It's only for support. Okay, this is the closest I can get it to watch you. Oh, okay, wait. Okay, I was able to get it a little bit closer with 4K 60. So this is the USB hub. It's in a plastic bag. It has the Xiaomi branding on it, so let's take it out of the box and see what's inside. Whoa, this cable looks really serious. Wow. Oh, aluminium. Smells. Oh, almost dropped it. Smells. Yeah, smells really nice. No chemical smell, just a little bit of that mobile phone smell. So it's probably the glue in it. Someone was writing a comment that that nice smell of glue is actually not good to smell. I don't know. Hopefully not that bad, because I do it all the time. Yeah. This smell is like a bit like pine. But look at this cable. Look at the cable, how thick it is. Wow. So there is one part which is the cable coming out from the USB hub or docking station, and then this is like a place to sit the cable. It's not a port. This is not a port, it's just a hole to have for the cable to stay in like this, so it's not damaged. Yeah, here now Chinese. So this is probably the Chinese version of this hub. Xiaomi Type C. Write in the comments below. Maybe this is the QR code to check if it's original. But it's aluminium. Aluminium. Pretty interesting system. very short. This is really short, so it depends how much length you want, but for a phone or laptop I think it's okay. And this cable, this might be for temperature. If you keep it next to a hot laptop so it doesn't burn, that would be smart. Yeah, this inside it has a few holder things, so it actually holds the cable in, but that's about it. So you have the holder, and then you have USB Type-C power delivery. You have USB Type-C power delivery, and then 3 USB 3 slots, 5 gigabits per second. Giga is the small one, so you will be like around 500 mega per second transfer speed. When you transfer from your hard drive 500 mega, you get a bonus HDMI. So with this you can turn your phone into a docking station. So this is what I'm going to try now. Let's see if it actually works. Let's see if this thing actually works. If it can work as a docking station. So yeah, the HDMI is really the biggest plus here. So you can extend. It would have been nice if it had some rubber feet here, but I guess they went with the full aluminum. I'll bring the phone. Let's see. A little bit of my coffee left. No.